So this is in progress now. So yeah, these are my Delta file. This installation is taking time. So again, so this is one of the good example. Let's say you can see this installation is taking sometime it is taking 1 minute, and again it is sometimes taking 3 minutes, 4 minutes. So as a DevOps engineer, we need to understand okay why some steps is taking this many time, and then the task will come. Okay, you need to optimize this. Then what you need to do? We need to finalize. Okay, what all installation is required. If I am installing some wrong plugin or what, if we can install SAP specific libraries so that the time consuming is less. So based on this, some steps will come to the DevOps engineer bucket. Again, look now what happened. Unexpected token. Okay. Unexpected token PIBLIC. So again, this is job of developer. Our DevOps work is done. We have provided the setup. Now multiple developer will start working on the feature branch. Whenever there is PR from feature to dev, automatically our pipeline will trigger and the error message will be shown here, right? You can see in Salesforce also 16:16 right now 7:44 p.m. Two component got validated and got this failure. Unexpected token public. And same as part of DevOps pipeline, we have shown this error here. So developer don't need to go to the org and check what is the issues. So here only all validation is happening and the expected result is showing in to the developer. Now they can take action and fix it. Now let's see what error, what issue we have done here. Is in foo class, unexpected token public. Let me go to the foo class. Foo. Okay. You can see we have a typo here. It should be public. So when I developer will do the fix, automatically this will get triggered. You have seen right that there is a failure in the PR, so no one will merge it. Now again the validation will start. All like same process will re-trigger. So this is day-to-day activities that will be done by developer with the help of DevOps engineer. Now let's say there was some issue with the SF command. The error was not related to code and it is related to DevOps setup. Then the action item will be on DevOps engineer. He or she need to understand, okay, what is the issue with my pipeline? Maybe I need to update something. So that task will come to the DevOps engineer. These are the day-to-day activities for DevOps engineer. Maybe the virtual machine that you are using, that Ubuntu latest, there is some issues, there is a downtime. So you need to figure it out. So these are the daily tasks that you will get after the setup. Some enhancement will be required. Someone will say, okay, now you have done this for dev, let's do it for UAT. Now what you will do? So for UAT also there will be some YAML file, right? The configuration will be there and all. Whatever we did for dev, the branch policy setup is required. So everything you need to do for that UAT branch. Now again, if someone will raise PR, let's say PR is raised from dev to UAT, then automatically this bill will get triggered for UAT also. So this is running now. How much time it will take this time? And in next class, so as I said, I will start with Jenkins, or maybe we can go for release pipeline. So this is one of the pipeline that is very useful for DevOps engineer. Like this will be utilized for, let's say, test automation. After your MuleSoft or Salesforce, whatever deployment you want to run the test suite, any regression packs, NET pack, anything else. So that we can utilize this release pipeline. Any post deployment activities we want to perform, that can be done from here. Any integration, let's say after deployment, you want to push some changes to some other application, or you want to run some other suites after deployment, then you need to create a release pipeline. So this happens after build. After that build pipeline, that is our this pipeline that we've created. If you want to run something based on this part, based on this delta artifacts, then we can utilize this release pipeline. Maybe I will cover this part in next class, or go with Jenkins. That I will decide, okay, what will be useful for you. But definitely I will cover this release pipeline as well. Let me open. Okay, look, the validation is successfully completed. Okay, it's not loading. Yes. Now, yeah, successfully validated the deployment. This is the ID, right? Now I will go to the org. Let me search. Yes, this one. You can say successfully validated. Now proper integration happened there, end-to-end integration. Now, so whatever we did here, for this, as a DevOps engineer, you will get more than 15 days just for one setup. The amount of setup that we did is, I can easily tell, okay, this is 15 to 20 working days work, because I need to understand the setup and all, what is required, the delta part, branching strategies, everything what we have explained. Easily you will get 15 to 20 working days, because you need to also take the buffer and all, right? All setup. And then this will keep improving. Let's say some new version will come for SFCLI, so you need to update the YAML, right? There is a version update in SFDX Git Delta. The command is getting changed, some issues. You need to add on some other part, other automation. So that will keep going. It is ongoing process. So this is one of the part that I have explained, so that it will be easy to understand the CI/CD, how CI/CD looks in DevOps using the pipeline, how the automation happens. So we have done the manual things with the help of VS Code, how developer can do it, correct? And here we have provided that automation as part of the pipeline, and easily now they can utilize this automation to do their validation and deployment. They only need to raise a pull request. So the developer job is very easy now. They will do the development and they will directly raise a pull request. That's it. And here you can see the setup. We did connection with develop, but in real world, so they will not have the access of any real-time org, right? They will only have access of their development org. But let's say there is a CI or INT UAT production, they don't have the access. So that time our automation is very useful in day-to-day life. Any developer can utilize this thing. They will create their own feature branch from develop, considering this develop as a automated branch for now. They will do the development, they will raise a pull request, they will see the changes here. That's it. Automatically they will get this green signal. And then I also explained the approver part, right? How we can add approver. And once approver will approve, and then the complete button will be enabled. Right now I don't have any required status here, that's why it's showing here. Nothing is present here. But if I set required, then it will be required from the branch policy itself. Okay. Any question? And then I will make sure this recording is uploaded by end of tomorrow latest. So this time it happened late, or I was traveling. Okay. And in next class, release pipeline or Jenkins. So both are important, very important. For Jenkins also, I will like start phrase, how to do the installation, how everything will be done. Like as a newcomer, let's say Jenkins is very new to you, you don't know about Jenkins. So the theory part, okay, what is Jenkins, how we can use it, then from scratch, how we can install in my local system. Okay, everything will be shown properly, and then I will give you right away some time to do the practical. Let's say when I explain the installation, I will give some time to do the installation the way we are doing in our past session, right? Everything I am giving the proper time, let's say 5 minutes, 10 minutes to do the steps, and then later on referring the recording, you can do it in your like free time.
Manish,
Hello?
Manish, can you hear me?
Yes, yes, now I can hear you. Your voice is little
Yeah,
low. Yeah.
yeah, that's why I'm speaking loudly. If you can you go back in time to the beginning of the class and show me the feature branch and how did you get that Salesforce YAML, how that coding part has generated, because all the work has started from it. And today it's in a bit of rush. We didn't participate in it, and we quite find it very difficult to follow it.
Mm. Okay, so everything, look, in steps I will share one. Let's say you can also refer the old videos. Also I will share the piece of code that I have used here, so that when you do practical in your free time, then you can easily perform these tasks. I will share this YAML. I know you don't have access of this. I will share this YAML file and everything over WhatsApp. That will be fine. Directly I will
Yeah, yeah,
upload it.
that's what I'm asking. Yes, yes. If you provide that YAML file, we
Okay.
can copy it and we will do
Okay,
the
I
same
will.
thing.
Yeah, just make sure this is just for this class. Okay, I will
Okay.
upload this YAML to that WhatsApp group, and then you can download it directly.
Can you show me the feature branch for the Salesforce thing you have done?
Everything I will upload you. So also you want the example of this class. So this is my feature branch. In this feature branch, for you only you need this YAML. That's it. Other
Yes,
are
yes.
at the
One,
time of
correct.
presenting, I created multiple, right? While explaining, this is the
Yeah,
important one that you want. So this YAML I will share, and then I will share one foo.class and this meta file. So one is enough. Okay. And this folder structure you already know. You already have this, you already did the practical, right?
yes,
I
yes.
believe this
Yeah, see here,
class is
yes,
also
we
present,
passed.
right? This class is also present with you. Only YAML is enough, I believe, because last time you did manually in your VS Code. So everything is present except this YAML, right?
Yes.
Okay, I will do it right away after this call. Okay,
Yeah, fine.
upload in the WhatsApp itself.
Yeah,
And
and
then,
one
hmm,
more question. One more question. That feature branch is based on dev branch or else master branch.
so this is based on dev. Again, I am saying, so as a developer, you will have a dev branch, right? And
Yeah.
then on top of that dev branch, you need to do the development. So your feature branch will always be created from dev. Okay. And
Okay,
then
Manish.
once all code is pushed to dev, from dev, the higher branch PR will be raised. Let's say INT, UAT, and master. Okay. So the creation of branch is like, first of all, whenever you have this repository, let's say organization, project, and repository, you will only get this master branch. It will name as main. Correct? From main, you
Yes,
will create
yes.
UAT, INT, dev, whatever. And then the code development will start from feature branch when you clone from dev, and from there the hierarchy happen: feature to dev, dev to INT, INT to UAT, UAT to master. So the code flow will be like this. So if you can refer my old videos where I have explained the branching strategy, it will be easy. So everything is now in a recorded way, right? So you can refer and you can recap everything.
Okay, just share that sales for the channel.
Okay, yeah, I will share this right away in WhatsApp group. Okay.
Sure, man. Thank you.
Okay. And one more
Okay.
thing. Okay, just do practice first, then let me know. Okay.
Okay.
If there will be any
Ma-
issues, then I will accommodate. Also, yeah, one more thing. Let me tell you. While you use this one, you need to have this file as well. But for now, just try. Just set up your YAML file, and if you face any issue, then we can discuss. Okay.
Manish,
Yes.
can you go to the Visual Studio?
Okay. Visual
Can you
Studio.
show us how to change the org, the default org? Now you got develop. For some reason, I'm having a VS Code org. I was trying to change it. It wouldn't let
So you
me.
need to look. You need to click here. Okay. Currently, it is set as develop, right? So if you click on this develop, you need to click on SFDX authorize and org. Okay. If you click it here, so you need to select this project default. Okay. Click. Now enter a org alias. So whatever name you want to provide for your another org, let's say INT, enter. Once you enter, something will run here. You can see. Now it will navigate me to the UI page. So something is happening here. So username password will be asked. The process is happening here. Yeah, you can see it is now landed to the login page. Username, password, that's it. Once and then login. Then you will see the message authenticated successfully. And when you come back, you will see that INT name here. Now it means your current is INT.
Okay, it's not changing for me. I don't know.
It's not
For
work.
some reason,
Mhm.
yeah, I don't know. I'll try it.
Because this is only the process from UI,
Oh,
I can say. Okay, just try it. Maybe you can restart your VS Code and try. Give it a try.
okay. All right.
Maybe you are not providing that alias. Just follow this video after this. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Let me cancel it. Okay. Any other queries? If no, then I think we can close this call. Let me stop the recording.